The color is beautiful too. It's almost like a gold champagne color. Welcome to my summer morning routine. We like to sleep in late. Well, they do. I try to get up at my normal time, about 7:45. I find that is early enough, and I start my day, nothing like a pillow slide. Don't even get me started on the comfort there. Let the dogs out for their morning break, and I ease into my day. Always coffee. Nothing before coffee. I recently made a switch over to a pod machine, and I really enjoy it. I get a pretty good deal for some coffee at Costco. Can't complain. I can, however, complain that I have run out of sugar, so maple syrup will just do the trick. I always fill up the dog bowls, breakfast, some water, and then I water the only garden I'm maintaining right now, which are these 2 hanging plants. Finally, the coffee is ready, and I get to sit down and just ease into it. Nothing like that first sip of coffee, am I right? And there's Honey, one of my 2 dogs. The other one has gone back to bed. She knows what's up. Sometimes I skip breakfast or I have a lighter breakfast. That kind of varies for me. I tend to switch it up on the daily, but today I'm feeling like an everything bagel, toasted, and normally I would use cream cheese, but I'm saving it for the kids. They're really into cream cheese and I only have a little bit left. So I went with the old reliable Cheese Whiz. I know, who knows what's even in it, but it tastes delicious. And now I sit down with my second cup of coffee, my water, and some emails. And I'm pretty excited, actually. I'm using the new MacBook Air with M2. She gorgeous. I've got a present. Let's open it together. She's already beautiful and I haven't opened her yet. .6-inch MacBook Air, 16 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, and it is in Starlight. Oh, damn. She purty. That's purty. Matches my watch, I'm pretty sure. Starlight. Light. Beautiful. Even the cord is beautiful. Double port here. Music to my ears. There is also a reason I'm opening up while sitting on my deck, because I have been tethered to my desk now for quite some time with my beautiful iMac. Love it. However, it's time to take work elsewhere. We got to take it on the go. Oh, hello. I love her. Time to play. I mean, work. Are you upgrading your laptop soon? Let me know in the comments. What color are you gonna get? Now the kids are starting to stir. I'm putting away some dishes. We're getting ready for our day. And we don't really have much planned today. We have some friends coming over for dinner, so we're just taking it easy. We're doing 2 eggs. I love to do it this way in the pan where you add a little water and it gets to broil. Is that the right word? Who knows? It's delicious. I feel like it's the perfect egg every time. And I also have bagels for them, and I found some hash browns. So that was a win. And then I guess it depends what I'm up to for the day. You know, the kids are at an age where they love to sleep in. They also stay up late, so, you know, weigh the cost. And it's summer, so I like to be a little bit more relaxed. I love the days like today where I don't have to go anywhere. I can kind of ease into my day. You know, I sometimes will go for a walk with the dogs if there's another adult here, or else I'll do a walk in, you know, my treadmill or do a little workout. And I heard something the other day on a podcast that was like, you know, what is your theme for the summer? And the first thing I thought of visually was like champagne bubbles. I don't even like champagne. But you know, like that bubbly, sparkly energy, and also being social. But the trouble is, you know, when you haven't been as social and going out and talking to people, it can exert a lot of energy. And so this weekend I'm heading to my sister's bachelorette, which I'm really excited about. But there's going to be a bunch of new people and just a lot of people in general. And so it's going to require a lot of energy output. And so I'm conserving energy right now. But you know, I think it's so nice that we're able to be social again, and we kind of got this new way of doing things figured out. So as a result of this theme of being social, I also just want to be out in the world, and I want to take advantage of my husband's airline passes and go places. However, because I've had this beautiful iMac on my desk now for a while, it's kind of limited where and when I can work. Yes, I can work a lot on the fly, but it's also really nice to do most of my editing on this beautiful portable situation here. So reasons why I was really excited about the MacBook Air with M2 chip is the speed. No joke, it is 15 times faster than my iMac. What? Like, I just bought that iMac. That is wild to me how fast this chip is. And when you're working in Final Cut Pro 10, which is what I use to edit, being able to quickly export, quickly upload, all of that stuff is kind of a big deal for me. The other thing I really like is how it merges to your other Apple products through the cloud. You also don't have to be the biggest techie to, first of all, make that happen. It's simply logging into your iCloud account, but it's just lovely. Like, I'm sitting out on the deck and I was recording things on my phone, which I then just airdropped to the computer and quickly was editing in Final Cut. And yes, there's a lot of wonderful apps that you can get and you can edit directly on your phone, but sometimes it's like tiring on your hands, if that sounds a little weird, but it can be tiring, especially when you're editing longer form video. So I like to do all my long form edits on my computer, short form on my phone, which I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Love this phone. And then, you know, I put on my AirPods and it hooks up to everything. It's so seamless. The color is beautiful too. It's almost like a gold champagne color. Didn't I just say champagne? It's kind of like my vibe, that sparkly essence. So a couple of specs for those that might be interested. It's only 2.7 pounds. It's a silent, fanless design. It comes in 4 colors. I'm going to put a picture right here so you can see it. So we have the new ones, which are Midnight and Starlight, and then it also comes in silver and space gray. It is a gorgeous 13.6-inch Retina display. And actually pretty cool is that these speakers are inside here. So rather than you see the little holes usually on the sides, yeah, the speakers are right in between the keyboard and the display. The charging cord allows fast charging, so you can charge up to 50% in just 30 minutes. And then I think I showed you with the port, you have 2 outlets, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time. And it is fast. Like, speed is everything, especially if you're working with, you know, bigger pieces of content, which I tend to do. And also there's the ability to edit 4K, which is pretty cool, because 4K can be a really heavy piece of content that can kind of slow your computer down. So that's really exciting to me. So those are some of the special features that I really look for in a computer that's going to work for me, for a user that is definitely more on the creative side, using Canva, using Final Cut Pro 10, exporting, uploading, that kind of stuff. Otherwise, it's mostly emails. So I love it. I can take work on the go. I'm so excited. So you may ask, where am I going? I may have mentioned this in a previous video, but short and sweet, I have my sister's wedding, which is in about just short of a month now, and that's in the Ottawa area. So I'll be there for about 4 days or so. So I'm gonna bring my computer so I can stay on top of things. I'm also hoping to take my kids out west to go see my in-laws. It's proven to be quite challenging because we've had some issues with our airports. And when you're flying on passes, I'm a little worried about what that might look like. But anyway, we're hoping to get out west. And then in the fall, September, October-ish, I would love to take my kids to Italy. And so just having the ability to take work on the go just brings me a lot of comfort that I don't have to stop the show in order to go and live an adventure. And that's really important to me. So And aside from that, I think the thing I'm most excited about, I'm literally doing right now. I love being able to be outside and watch the kids play in the yard or swim in the pool or, you know, whatever we're getting up to. And, you know, I don't have to miss out on all the fun. So that's really important to me. Anyway, so I'm excited. You know I love tech presents. I'm excited that I was able to share this with you today. And let me know if you're thinking about getting yourself a new laptop, what color would you choose? Let me know in the comments, because honestly I had a really hard time deciding between Midnight and Starlight. Like, I definitely wanted one of the new colors, but it was tricky. It was tricky to decide. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll catch you with another video next week. Okay, bye, guys.